What if an asteroid suddenly approaches Earth? NASA's frightening scenario. Could our civilization come to an end? What would happen if an asteroid suddenly approached Earth? NASA has conducted a chilling scenario to address this question. Here's a detailed look at their exercise and the potential implications. Welcome, I hope you enjoy, then subscribe and like. The hypothetical scenario. Imagine discovering a new asteroid that is set to collide with Earth in the next 14 years. This space rock measures between 100 and 320 meters in diameter and is currently positioned behind the Sun, making it unobservable for the next 7 months. This scenario seems straight out of a science fiction movie, but NASA has seriously prepared for such possibilities. To assess and improve the nation's ability to respond to a potentially hazardous asteroid or comet threat, NASA conducted a Planetary Defense Interagency Tabletop exercise. This exercise aimed to simulate and test various uncertainties that could arise from a potential asteroid or comet collision. Statements from NASA officials. Lindley Johnson, NASA's Planetary Defense Officer, stated, "A large asteroid impact is the only natural disaster that humanity could potentially predict years in advance and take steps to prevent. This underscores the unique nature of asteroid threats compared to other natural disasters. So far, no known asteroid is on a collision course with Earth for the next century. Astronomers estimate that the likelihood of such a significant impact during our lifetimes is quite low." However, Johnson emphasized that the history of asteroid impacts on Earth suggests that it is a matter of when, not if. Details of the hypothetical impact. In NASA's recent scenario, they focused on an asteroid between 100 and 320 meters in diameter with a 72% chance of hitting Earth. While not the largest class of asteroids, an impact from an object of this size could be devastating. For instance, the meteor crater in Arizona, created by a much smaller object, 30 to 50 meters in diameter, 50,000 years ago, illustrates the potential for destruction. Such an impact could obliterate a city like Kansas. According to the scenario, the asteroid could strike densely populated areas such as Dallas, potentially triggering a national emergency. The hypothetical impact date is set for July 2038, leaving only 14 years for preparation. Initial observations of the object reveal uncertainties about its size, composition, and trajectory. Challenges in observation and response. Due to its position behind the Sun, the asteroid would be unobservable for 7 months, resulting in significant time loss. The importance of monitoring near-Earth objects, NEOs, those that come within 50 million kilometers of Earth's orbit, was highlighted. Eric Christensen, director of the NASA-funded Catalina Sky Survey, stressed the need to know what is coming, when it is coming, and how fast it will hit. Proposed actions and technologies. NASA, FEMA, and other agencies would aim to conduct a close-up space mission to gather detailed information about the asteroid's composition, rotation, and velocity. They would need to determine whether it would break up in Earth's atmosphere or remain intact, and assess the likelihood of an ocean impact. Discussions would also include targeted rendezvous missions to alter the asteroid's trajectory. Changing an asteroid's path is a realistic possibility. In 2022, NASA successfully altered the course of the asteroid Dimorphos by crashing a refrigerator-sized spacecraft into it. This test proved that redirecting a threatening asteroid is feasible. Outcomes and recommendations. The tabletop exercise revealed several critical issues, including the uncertainty in planning for a potential impact. Participants suggested enhancing capabilities to repurpose existing spacecraft quickly for NEO observation missions. Conclusions. NASA and its partners will continue to conduct drills against hypothetical asteroid threats. While the risk remains low, being prepared offers peace of mind. General risks of asteroid impacts. Every day, About 100 tons of dust and sand-sized particles enter Earth's atmosphere and burn up. Annually, an automobile-sized asteroid typically passes through the atmosphere and explodes. Impacts from objects around 140 meters in diameter occur every 10,000 to 20,000 years. Collisions with objects about 800 meters in diameter, capable of causing mass extinctions, happen roughly every 100 million years. Understanding these risks and preparing for potential impacts is crucial for planetary defense. Thanks for watching.